I'm gonna go to town because Harbor Freight's having a sale, and I'm gonna get me another jack, and I might swing by Wayne's garage over there and talk about setting up a time to come over and film them doing some undercoating, and we'll take it from there. We'll see what develops. I will, I think, be back out here today because I would like to go into here. When I spray this stuff, I get filthy. Well, I shouldn't say that, but I don't really get filthy, but I get some of it on me. And generally, it means, okay, take all your clothes off and wash them and take a shower and all that. So I'm not going to do that now because I'm going to town. I'm going to get me another one of these jacks like this one. These little 1.5 ton Harbor Freight jacks like this. Them's handy dandy little things right there, and they got a sale right now, 20% off, so I'm gonna go get me one of them. But if Wayne wants to talk on a video, I'll record that, and if you don't, then we'll see about going back up there later. And it's cold, I don't have any sleeves on. See about going up there later and filming some undercoating stuff. And hey, since we're standing here, let's see if the Jeep will crank. It's like a daily test. Will it still crank? Now what I'm going to do today, pump it first to set the carburetor. 1, 2, 3 pumps. Push the clutch in. Make sure it's in neutral. 1, 2, 3. 3 more pumps. I love the smell of success in the morning. Ha ha ha. I need to go see the doctor too about this thing I got in my throat. See y'all.